All right, special thanks to this company for sending us their lunchbox for an unboxing video. Now, you can see here on the side, use high temperature resistant environmental materials, stylish and fashionable appearance without odor. The use of PTC heating elements is safer, more convenient, and energy saving. The design of recycled eating is low power, keeps the food warm and fresh. Dual function for heating and warm keeping. So basically, you can have food that you need to keep warm, and with this, be able to keep it warm all day. So on this side, you have your wattage and everything, and some safety precautions. Let's just open it on up and take a look at it. Electric lunchbox instruction manual right on top. You'll want to read through that. And then, wow, that's it for the box. And so this is the actual lunchbox itself. You can see here you got an indicator on whether it's on or not, and looks like you got two charging options here. So you got the DC and the AC. So that's a major plus. You can use it in your car or at your office. And then got a nice little handle. This feels like some rubber almost, but that's nice. And then these nice clips on each side clip the top in place for you. They even include you a nice spoon and fork. Look at that. That's pretty nice. And then you even get more down in here. So this is like a little carrying bag. This can hold some vegetables and has your regular power adapter for plugging it in at your office, as well as your cigarette lighter for plugging it in your car. And then this part slides out as well, and that's essentially the whole entire product. So that'll do it for this heated lunchbox unboxing. Again, thanks to this company for sending it to me so I could show you everything you get. You would essentially just put your products in here that you want to keep warm and either plug it in your car or at your office to keep them warm all day. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.